Hello, my name is Vicki Wooden, and I just want to make this video just to give you encouragement. This is for my Feeder Matrix team. This is to give you encouragement, and actually for anyone out there who's looking at this video, no matter what business you're in, as long as you are consistently marketing, consistently promoting your business, be encouraged. People, they say they have to look at an offer 7 or more times before they even act on it. And I know that that's true. My primary place to promote my businesses is on Facebook. And when people come to me and say, "Hey, Vicki, I've been seeing, for instance, Feeder Matrix. I've been seeing people promoting Feeder Matrix online, and then I saw you were doing it. So what's up?" Okay, so they saw it several times because you see businesses being offered and you pay no attention to it, and then you see it again, you don't pay no attention. See it again, you're like, "Oh, that must be trending." See it again, see it again. See it again, see it again. And then you see somebody doing it, you be like, maybe I need to look at this. So you have to keep that in mind, that is what happens. People are seeing what you are promoting. Just consider it like this. You're out there planting seeds. Every time you put out a classified ad or a safe list or a traffic exchange or a post on Facebook, you're putting seeds out there, and those seeds are going to grow, especially if you can talk. If you I can't get that word out. Okay, if you look at it like this, every time you put it out there again, you're watering it. That's what I'm trying to say. If you consider, I think that's the word I was looking for. If you consider every additional post or ad, consider that as like water. Yeah, consider that as like the water and the sun and the oxygen that your plant, your seed needs. Okay, continue to feed it. Continue to feed it the positive stuff that it needs. Okay, don't put your seeds out there feeding it, and then lifting all the dirt off of it and seeing if it's growing. Don't be negative like, I sure wish I get some sign-ups. Don't do that. Know that you're going to get some sign-ups. You see this necklace? This is one of my favorite necklaces. My friend makes these. She has a business called Juicy Christian Jewelry. She makes this. And this necklace says, "Everything I do prospers." And that's what I believe. I believe that everything I do will prosper. Therefore, I do well. I'm not bragging, but if you look at me on Facebook, you will never hear me saying anything negative. When I start out in a business, I'm posting a lot, and I don't get anybody right away either. But you will never hear me saying, "Oh, I wish I'd get me some sign-ups." And the reason why you'll never see me say that is because I don't want to brand myself as somebody who can't get no sign-ups. Because when you put that on a Facebook wall and other people see it, why would they want to join you? Why would they want to be in your downline? So don't say it. Don't say it. Don't let anxiety zap away your excitement. Be excited no matter what. No matter if you posted for 2 days and you didn't get no sign-ups, because see, day 3 might be the day that the sign-up is going to come. Be positive. Put them posts out there, and don't feed your efforts with any negative thoughts. Just don't do it, because that just nullifies your what you've done, the seed that you planted, the positive stuff. Don't put doubt on it. Be positive. Have faith that it's going to work. I'm telling you, today I got paid $320 from one person and $160 from another person in Feeder Matrix. Did I wake up this morning knowing that was going to happen? No. But when I slung my feet over the side of that bed and pulled my laptop over before I even go brush my teeth or get my coffee, I got online and I started posting. I consistently market every day. Holidays included, birthdays included. Every day I consistently market because people are watching me. People are watching you. And if you put any doubt out there, they'll be like, well, I guess that ain't working for her. Or I guess that ain't working for him. Don't do that. Don't put it out there. Stay positive because I'm telling you, if you're consistent, you will get the signups. If you're positive, you will get the sign up. You want to attract people to you, not repel them with negativity. Put the good aura, the good karma out there. Okay, my name is Vicki Wooden, and if this pep talk didn't help you, then I don't know what to do for you. Keep it positive. All righty. Bye-bye.